All right, in the next part of activity 2.3.3, we're going to look at the request for web content in the network packets that were recorded by Wireshark in that PCAP file. So first thing I'm going to do, just in case you have shut down Wireshark, is I'm going to reopen Wireshark. And I'm going to reopen the PCAP file that had the network activity that we were supposed to be investigating. So that file, I guess, can I do open recent? No. Okay, file open. It was on the desktop in the activities folder in A233, packet capture, and here's all these packets. We're going to look for specific packets this time that are doing an HTTP request. And so you get all these different packets that show up that match that filter. We're supposed to look for the one that is the first HTTP 1.1 GET request. So that one happens to be packet 425. And then we're then supposed to look in the packet details and look for the full request URI. A URI is a fancy way, the fancy formal name for a URL. So lots of information in here. The part that we're interested in looking at is something called the full request URI, which should be right here. So this is a URI or your URL, if you want to think of it that way, that this packet was trying to request information from. So I don't know if I can just double click on it. Yeah, looks like it's opening up. And we'll see if it loads. Oh, it doesn't actually show me what it is, but it's the isisseries.com website. Yeah, there's not really much on here for us to investigate because it doesn't actually show what it is. I'm in a different browser right now. I'm just going to look real quick to see if it's anything of note. And for me, when I go to that website, this is what I see. It's actually a redirect. It goes to jblearning.com and it brings up the cybersecurity education series that they have. So that's not what will pop up inside of the virtual machine, but that's what pops up if you look for it in a browser outside of the virtual machine. All right, and that's pretty much all there is for this section. What we've done is we've looked at the part of a packet where the client has requested a web data from a server, and the actual website that was being requested had a URL, a URI that had this this information, and then we saw that what the actual target website what it had on it.